Large home with versatile layout. This property will allow you to upsize to meet family needs. And it could help meet all your aspirations. Included with this home are 4 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. And it features dedicated parking for 2 vehicles. The kitchen is the hub of this home. This property is nestled within a garden oasis. And it is fully reticulated from bore to garden. It comes with large spaces for family living, as well as a private study or office area. Add to that ducted air throughout. Looking for a home that is close to everything important? Great for large or extended families? Make an appointment to view. Call now.